Thyme, Thymus vulgaris, is an herb that belongs to the mint family, Lamiaceae. The plant is a relative of the oregano genus Origanum. Thyme isn't just one of the most popular culinary herbs today, it also has a long history of use as a medicinal healer and protector. In general, it's excellent at supporting the immune and respiratory systems, as well as the digestive, nervous and other body systems. For example, thyme uses include helping to kill a variety of germs and preventing infections, as well as scavenging free radicals that contribute to the aging process. Respiratory health cough suppressant. Thyme is rich in plant phenols such as thymol and carvacrol, which are powerfully antispasmodic, making them potent cough suppressants. The antibacterial and expectorant qualities of this herb thin the mucus that the cough is trying to expel, whilst gently healing and soothing the bronchial tract. As a result of the overwhelming research, thyme oil is approved by Germany's Commission E in the treatment of bronchitis, whooping cough and upper respiratory inflammation. Number 1. Wound healing. The antiseptic compounds caryophyllene, camphene and thymol found in thyme will guard wounds against infections and speed up healing. Number 2. Heart health. The antispasmodic qualities of thyme, especially in the essential oil, help to relax veins and arteries, which in turn lowers blood pressure and eases stress on the heart. It can tone and strengthen heart muscles and stimulates the circulatory system, again easing pressure on the heart. Number 3. Digestive health. Thyme benefits the digestive system by promoting the overall well-being of the digestive tract. One of the active compounds, thymol, stimulates peristaltic muscle movements so that food is not held in the stomach for prolonged periods of time. The antispasmodic action of this herb can relieve intestinal cramping and reduce bloating from malabsorption. Also known as a carminative, thyme helps to prevent the formation of gas in the gastrointestinal tract and supports the removal of excess gases, which helps to combat flatulence. Number 4. Kidney health diuretic. Promoting regular urination, diuresis, is essential to maintaining normal kidney function. Thyme acts as a natural diuretic without upsetting the delicate electrolyte balance, whilst ensuring that too much fluid isn't retained. Number 5. Mood boosting. Among the powerful compounds in thyme, carvacrol has been found to exert a positive effect on mood. It increases levels of dopamine and serotonin, the neurotransmitters that regulate motivation, drive and overall mood. Consuming this herb regularly or diffusing the essential oil in an aromatherapy burner can promote feelings of relaxation and well-being. So, what are typical uses? Thyme can be used as herbal tea. Pour a cup of boiling water onto 2 teaspoons of the dried herb and infuse for 0 minutes. Drink up to 3 timers per day. Or can be used as essential oil. Thyme essential oil can be used in the bath or vaporized in an oil burner. It can be added to a massage oil or cream. Use 6 to 8 drops per bath and 10-18 drops per 30 milliliters of carrier oil. Precautions. Not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Not recommended in cases of epilepsy. Not recommended if you are taking medication to lower blood pressure. If you are taking any prescription medication, please speak to your healthcare provider.